Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Before you find Safari search history, confirm your device and settings first. You need an iPhone or iPad running iOS 13 or later, or a Mac running Mac OS 10, 15 or later. Make sure Safari is not set to private browsing because private sessions do not save history. Turn on Safari in iCloud settings to sync history across devices. If you need to view another device, sign in. To view Safari history on an iPhone or iPad, open the Safari app and tap the book icon at the bottom. Next, tap the clock tab to switch to your browsing history list. Use the search field at the top to filter history by keyword, domain, or date. Tap any entry to reopen that web page in a new tab. If you want to remove a single entry, swipe left and tap delete to remove it immediately. On a Mac, open Safari and choose History from the menu bar to begin. Select Show All History to display a chronological list of pages and searches. Use Command F or the search box in the History view to find specific terms, domains, or dates. Click any result to reopen that page in a new tab. To remove records, choose Clear History and pick a time range such as the last hour, today, or All History to delete entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.